Hey everyone, welcome back. Alright, good news. We got a working authorizer in our backend for this. As you can see, we can log in that, and I don't want to share the actual API because you might hack it. But yeah, this is already protected by authentication and authorization. Um, So we're safe to deploy this online. Right, so let's see if we can smoothly deploy web. AWS configure. This should be configured already, right? Yep. Okay, so we now wanted to deploy, yeah, deploy that baby girl. All right, we're gonna deploy that baby girl. All right, we're gonna deploy that baby girl. Right, so we're going to read some article here while waiting for this to complete. All right, so the article that we're going to read is still loading. So wait for it to load. And yep, hope so all right, I believe uh the deployment is successful. And um, we just need to invalidate the cache. So I'm not gonna tell you what is my infrastructure because you might be very smart and you might know how to make my life harder. So even if you're not smart, I'll just assume that you're smart, right? So invalidation. All right, so let's invalidate this. Right, so are we still recording? Yeah, we are recording. And yeah, it's still in progress. Let's see if it's already deployed. No, it's not yet deployed. Invalidation is complete. So yeah, it's already there. It's already live. Check it out, guys. So as you can see, if you click this, oh hey, where is it? My okay, refresh. Click this. All right, so it logged in. Let's go to our AI. So Vlad, hello. Vlad is waiting for you, brah. Vlad, my firstborn. So let's see what is the reply. Is it working? Ah, yeah, I forgot. Sorry. We need to update the some things here. All right, hold on. It'll be very quick. Um, hold on, little girl. Show me what it done to you. Break up with a girl. Na 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 na. Come on, baby, come on over. Let me be the one to show you. All right, so hold on. Let us just deploy again. Sorry for that. So while waiting for it to complete, oops, sorry. Um, Alright, so I just want to share my experience building this thing. So at first, I use dev container to build this so that I will not mind what operating system I'm in. I can just work on Mac, Linux, or Windows because I'm not afraid to do that because I'm using the container and it can work anywhere. And the problem there is that working with dev container, the build time is so slow, and I haven't found a way yet how to make it faster so that it will use the processing power of the host operating system. It's the Docker build time inside the build time inside Docker container is very slow. So that's why now I just switched to back to working in the host operating system, and that's it. Until I'll find a way how to make building apps inside the dev container faster, I'll just stick to using the host operating system for now. And the problem there is that sometimes if I get bored with Windows, I might switch to Linux, and if I get bored with Linux, I'll switch to Windows. But now, to make that development consistent and then have to keep on figuring out why it's not working in Linux and it's working in Windows, I just have to use Windows for now. And yeah, so if you're still listening, the reason why I keep on talking is because I'm practicing how to talk while thinking because I'm not really good at that. Okay, so now I'm improving. I can talk while thinking, and it's really helpful. What else can we say here while waiting for the deployment? See here, there's a deployment going on in a different screen, and it's still deploying. And it cost us a validation in our CDN because I just invalidated the CDN, and we're so reckless that we forgot to update the allowed. Oh, hey, yeah, I think it can support multiple URLs now because we are there's already an allow origins. So yeah, I think this is a good thing. All right, so next is we're going to, yeah, it's already deployed, and we might just wanna refresh this and go back to our soon to be Agentic app. Hello, are you still there? Oh yeah, there you go. There is his reply. Yes, I'm still here. How can I help you? All right, so let's see if we got this in our records. All right, we got this recorded, and we're going to say, "Hey, help me build an Angular app for my fans. My fans will help me become a trillionaire in dollars. Okay, or whatever strongest currency by the time I become a trill trillionaire. Okay, so let's see what is his reply. Okay, okay, I understand you want to build an Angular application that will engage your fans and hopefully contribute to your $1 trillion or equivalent aspirations. This is a fun and ambitious project. Let's break down how we can approach building this app. I'll focus on structure, features, and considerations, knowing you'll need to customize it to fit your specific brand and strategy. Number one, core concepts and planning. Before diving into the code, consider these crucial aspects: target audience, your fans. What do they already like? Blah, 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 blah. So I'm interested in the code generation. Yeah, okay. So this one here, right? It highlighted the code, and I'll be able to copy that code and paste it somewhere. Like, for example, here. Uh, uh, can you show up? Or maybe here. Or maybe a notepad. Hold on. I'll just be careful not to open um, confidential apps. Uh, alright, so yeah, 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 yeah. Okay, I'll show you that this is working. Okay, that one. See, I copied ng, and then see here, I can copy that and put that here. So it's so nice. I'm so good. Yeah, so we are already ready and preparing for world domination. And this is a crucial um, time, crucial period of humanity, and everything is gonna change because of this generative AI. And stay tuned. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, and see you in the next videos. All right, cool. Thanks. Bye bye.